Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I am not too bad today. I woke up feeling much better. I still have a little headache, slight headache, nothing like yesterday. My head was hurting so bad, and the day before. I have a few stuff that I want to talk to you guys about. I just want to clear up this and just move on. But if you hear a little noise in the background, like a little at the machine, you know that little sound that what the machine make, it's gonna kind of have like a vibrating or more weird sound in the background. So if you hear it at the machine, because while I'm talk to you now, I'm gonna ride and whistle because I'm washing plus I'm packing out some stuff. Before I get into it, as I said before, all of this just unfortunate, and I just wish it never reach right here. So I wish me never have it to deal with, but at the end of the day it happened, you guys know, and wouldn't see everything will take place. So yes, I saw that Jason went to Lovell's house. I'm not playing no blame game at all. I just gonna keep it real with you guys. So I saw that Jason went to Lovell's house. I didn't feel anyway, but at the same time I wanted him to come home. At the time of the argument, I didn't bother him. I didn't force him to stay, because you know when you're in a one little moment, you don't really want nobody to say nothing to you much. And you know, me never want the whole situation to get worse. Like say I did I leave, me never want to pull him back, and you know, me never want the attention. We not stay like that. Our relationship is not like that. So I didn't want to pull him back and then him get upset, and you know, arguments lead to stuff, and that's the reason why I always have it in my head, like if you can avoid an argument, just avoid it. Or something you don't have to deal with it, just don't deal with it. And that's the mentality I have. I have family member and friends who called and they didn't pick any side, you know. Them said them still wrong in what Jason do, and them still wrong in what me do, and I took their advice, you know. I sit down and I look into myself and I say, them really have a point. Like that make a lot of sense. And one thing with me, I'm not inconsiderate, me take telling, and I can openly say this as well. May I keep it real with you know, Jason is like that as well. So that he went to Lovell's house, and really and truly I didn't feel anyway, because at the end of the day I'm sister, and even if him did guy mommy or him did guy auntie, him cousin, I still wouldn't feel no way, because him say I want some space, him want a break, then fine, I'll give it to him, because I'm big on that. If I can take a break or take some space, why not? Going back, when I saw that he went to Lovell's house, I was happy about that, because I know say I'm going to do somewhere where I'm safe. And not only that, the fact that if I call him and him not pick up, I can always call Lovell or I can call Lucia. At the same time, I wanted him to come home. You know, I never did want him to sleep out, and I just didn't want that. I wanted him to be home. When Jason is home, I feel safe. It's a feeling that I can't really explain. I wanted him to be home. I didn't want him to sleep out. I didn't run him out. And me would have never run out Jason. This is our home where we invest everything in it. We would be comfortable. Plus me know I love and not have space. So anyway I would have sleep, I would have in the couch. You get me? And just never want that feeling. Being home alone, but just I think about whole heap of stuff. I think and I say, alright, this is how me did make him feel when me did do and stuff like that. And as I say, I'm not a selfish person, so I'll look back at stuff and I'll admit it, you know, and I'll apologize about it. Yes, me did want him to come home, and I'm gonna come here to come talk bold and mighty like me. I say, okay, you can go on and whatever. I'm a partner, I love him. And not because one disagreement it means I go just get up, bam, not care about him, bam, not love him again. No. You know, but at the same time, the system gone I'm sister house, and I know him would have be safe. and me know it would have somewhat be comfortable. As I mentioned before, it would have been in the sofa because you know Lovell and Lucy just started with them life, and it's a 1-bedroom. However, me know them would have put him in the sofa. That them would tell him no to that. So that's that. Now my emotions are all over the place again because, as I say, I watched the video where he went to Lovell's house, and they didn't tell him no, but at the same time they encouraged him to go back home and sort out stuff, and he left. But when my sister leave Lovell house, I was so happy because I thought to myself that okay, he's coming back home. Then I saw his video and I'm just so disappointed. You know, I just think all of that wasn't necessary. Somebody in your ear, somebody offer you wine, and I don't have to repeat everything that I saw in the video because I know that you guys see it. So I'm not here to say, oh, he said this, he said that. No, you don't know what me I talk about. You can always go watch the video, but me not gonna come here come repeat everything that I saw in the video. But I just want you guys to know that I am disappointed. The fact that him asked for some space and he left the house and he went straight to his sister's house. From watching the video, it got the answer that it didn't want. They didn't tell him no, but what they told him to do, that's not the answer that he was looking for. That's what I got from it. So him leave and him go elsewhere, and may I say, but if you got your sister house and you get an answer what you don't want, then come back home. You know, me never run you out, and at the same time we have 2 rooms, and that's what he said to me when I did what I did. I said, baby, I never have to leave, you know, because 2 rooms there and stuff like that. And as me say, Jason the mature one. I am very mature, but Jason, me think Jason mature than me, and me can openly say that. So for him do all of that, and then as me say, me not gonna repeat everything that I saw in the video, but I felt some type of way and I'm so disappointed. A matter of fact, JC is not a bother to any family member or any friends. Yes, one time JC called, more than likely him now gonna get a no. So even if he didn't get the answer that he wanted from Lovell, him have other family member when could have called and say, I'm coming by and explain the situation to them. I can tell you that they wouldn't tell him no, whether it's my family or Jason's family. And me know that for a fact. If Jason do that, it's like I felt bad for him, but at the same time I felt disappointed, you know, because me feel bad to the point where it looked like say him a look somewhere for catch, and Jason I need that. Plus Jason I live in a one house where him get nagging. Like it makes no sense. I do appreciate the fact that he left. I really appreciate that. I'm not gonna make that fly over my head. You know, I'm not gonna be ungrateful about that. But at the same time, it just never called for. You could have come home. You know, we try our best to get everything in here so we make you happy and comfortable. And we never get 2 rooms to say, okay, when we vex, we're going to go in the room there. We get it because we really and truly needed an office space. And we're a family person, so when family members come over, them can have them privacy. We've been an accommodated family for a very long time, even before we had 2 bedrooms. And if you guys know, you guys know. We never get if you say when we vex, but at the same time, the extra room is there. You could have come home. But yeah, guys, it's just an unfortunate situation, and you know, I do understand what he felt though when I did what I did, and that's something that I won't be doing again. Well, I made that promise to him from that time. You know, I just find other ways to resolve an argument, or you know, not to deal with the argument. And as me say, I made that promise already, and you know, we did work past that. Just wish it never did reach right here. So, and you know, stuff will happen already. And to be honest, I just want him to come home. I'm gonna call him and I'm gonna ask him, you know, if him can come home and just try to have a conversation with him. Because as I said, I'm gonna go and big and mighty. I really want him to come home, because the feeling that I get when he's home, I miss that. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm just gonna ask him to come home. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for tread the journey with me. road to 100k. I love you guys. Bye.